tired.
What does?
Her job seems like torture.
Not really. At least it ain't like Amazon, where its back and body hurts.
Yo.
True, but
It wants to rub on
I'm
you.
very busy and a lot of talking, and my throat hurts.
It hurts.
Yeah, it hurts to talk that much. You have to answer the phone.
I bet it does. I can't even talk that much.
I feel like this cat would have a good name. I have a new good name for him. I feel like
What's
her name
the
could
name?
be Annabelle.
No, her name is Roxy.
But I call her Sylvester.
Sylvester, yeah.
So John told me
What's
something
with
cool.
that cut?
Nothing. So John told me that every place that you have moved, a black cat has always found you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was good.
He's been out here all day, so he has to be like itchy or something. So I bet
Well,
it
it's
does
probably
feel
hungry.
good. Yeah. Do we still have any more cat food in the thing? No.
Yeah.
You're so cute.
I bet he's itchy though.
Obviously, it's a cat. But really got fleas.
Yeah.
This is the most adorable, cool cat I've ever met. Oh, hey, little Roxy.
Wait, has there been another cat that you met was like this?
Yes. It was one of my grandma's 3 cats. And they were all
The reason
3
why
different-
he's like that is because he wants you to rub you
Yeah, wants to
on the
rub me.
head.
He wants me to rub him on the head. I got you, little guy. I got you, little guy. I got you. Ow!
What?
Clawed me in the leg.
It clawed you?
Yeah, one of the nails stabbed me in the leg.
Does it hurt?
A little bit. It's like getting, like, you know when you get a needle in your arm?
Yeah.
It's like that one, like, sharp pain for that 1 second and then it's gone.
Want to go back in?
Yeah, let's go back.
That's nice.
Make sure the cat
I'm
doesn't
hungry.
come in because he's not supposed to.
I am so tired.
He knows when you don't want to get jumped on.
That's good.
Want to get in?
Is John still sleeping?
No, he's awake.
Oh.
Yeah, he's been
Hey,
awake.
hey,
You gotta
hey.
watch her. She's trying to go in. She wants in that house and she can't go in because she's got fleas.
No.
And I'm allergic to her because I'm already itchy from her everywhere. I need to get some vinegar.
Hey, Mama, can I maybe get, like, an ice cream or something for breakfast or something?
There is